makeup for today. I hope you like it, and yeah, I love it. And yes, I love my hair. So I'm going to see what to do next before it's too dark outside. It's already dark. It's around what time is it? Yeah, it's 4:45, but here in Germany it's horrible because it's get that so early. Yeah, now we're going to make our we're gonna do our I'm looking great. I love it. Let me take me some pictures. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Missyblackpearl and I am so happy. I'm so mad right now because I've been thinking that I've been recording myself on this video and just to see that my camera just went down. I am so mad. Anyway, forget about that and we talk about this. So I am in my sewing room where I create all the stuff, and today I'm wearing my contact lens and I'm feeling so good because I don't have to every time to put glasses on out and with the glasses it's with the light it blends in and it look crazy. And I just decided, okay, it's now time for me to wear my contact lens because I have contact lens and I don't wear them, but they are really comfortable because I can just walk with my contact lens without every time glasses off, on, off, on, off, on. So I am so happy today. I can see properly. No, no. Just amazing. So today I am down here because I was making my TikTok. I was taking photos for my TikTok and I was doing some videos for my TikTok as well. And with some clothes I sewed, so I was just, yeah, doing my TikTok. And the thing is, I'm just here because I just thought I will do this content because I wanted to, I've been selling lashes for longest since the lockdown. I remember that's when I started selling lashes, and then I stopped. As I said, I stopped because of the family issue with my mom, who is in now old mom, German mom, who is in old people house right now. She's been taken care of there. She's 93, and the time she was at home here, I couldn't do anything else because every time she was just demanding me, and I couldn't even have any personal thing or life anymore because she was always calling me at night. I couldn't sleep during the day. She's just always like, come, and it was really exhausting at the end because you can't be 24 hours doing something and you get no sleep. So we took that out of the way, and yeah, now I'm trying to concentrate. This year I'm trying really to concentrate on some stuff I love the most, and which is sewing, designing, and recycling, all DIY projects. And whoa girl, we are going to work. So I can't just plan. I know God plans for everybody, so I hope that he is with me and he looks above everything I do, and it'll be a success. So I have my lashes, which I've been selling since then, and I stopped selling them. I have beautiful lashes. Please make sure you order lashes from me. I have different styles which I love a lot. I don't have lashes at the moment on me. These are natural eye lashes. So I have this style I have this style. I have like, different styles for everybody, for everybody's taste. And I will be so glad if you just order some from me. I know there are a lot of people out there, they're selling lashes, and I'll be glad if you just order some from me. And I have like a package which I have already done, which is going to somebody else. And I have different packages. It depends where the package is going to. So, and that's when I see how I'm going to pack them, because there are some which they go really far away, they need more care and everything. So I've got lashes, I've got tweezers, yeah. And everybody who orders from me, they will get a surprise present. So make sure you order your piece or pieces, or how many, I don't mind. I will just ship to you. Make sure you order, and I will be so appreciating if you just try my lashes. They are really beautiful. You look good as well. And yeah, it's a high time for me to continue doing what I love the most this year. Everybody wants to earn money. Life has become so hard to everybody, and we need to support each other. So make sure you support your girl. Lash, 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 lash. Be beautiful. Be cute. Be one of a kind. Order. I will really appreciate that. Thank you. See you later. So